this video, I'll show you how you can fix Valorant error code val29. The first step is we want to come here and search for services, open it up, press anywhere and press V, find VGC, double click, make sure it's set to automatic and make sure you start it as well. So just wait for this and automatic and running. Then press apply and OK, and that should be fine. Now try and launch it and see if it works now. If it still doesn't, what we want to do is we want to come here and search for view network connections, open it, right click and disable, and then right click and enable, just to quickly disable and enable your internet. Now if it still doesn't work, we want to double click on this, go to properties, go to Internet Protocol version 4, use the following DNS and then try and type 8888.8844. Press OK and see if it works with this one. Now if it still doesn't work for some reason, we can try and open up CMD, right click and run as an administrator. In here you want to type ipconfig space //DNS netsh space winsock space reset. And then you can try and type netsh space int space IP space reset. Now type this in, press enter, and then see if it works after this. If for some reason it's still not working, there's two things that I suggest you do. Come here and type in network reset. Try and reset your network here, and this will restart your PC. And the other one is you should try and find your router in your house and then try and unplug it for a few seconds and then plug it back in the power cord, and then it should reset your entire internet, and that might help fix the issue. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.